Hey there, welcome to our latest video. Today I'll guide you through adding a countdown clock in Kartra. You can find the links to Deadline Funnel and Kartra in the description below. Firstly, head to the Deadline Funnel website. In the My Campaigns page under Digital Mastery, click on Click Craft. In the side panel, click on Emails. Now, copy the HTML code provided. Next, go to your Kartra dashboard. In the side panel, select Pages. You can either edit an already created page or create a new one. Click on Edit to edit the page. Now navigate to Components and select your code. Drag and drop it to wherever you want it on your page. Click on the Settings icon, then select the Edit icon. In the Custom Styles section, paste the HTML code you copied earlier. Click on Apply. The countdown clock will now be added to your page. You can preview it in different modes. Don't forget, you can find the links to Deadline, Funnel, and Kartra in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.